Extract, automate, analyze by AlternativeSoft. Investment teams spend too much time manually processing documents, updating investment systems, and moving information between PDFs, spreadsheets, AI tools, and portfolio platforms. AlternativeSoft Cloud and Desktop work together as a single connected ecosystem that transforms fund documents into structured investment intelligence. AlternativeSoft AI reads your fund documents, extracts key investment data, automates due diligence workflows, and generates investment analysis, turning unstructured information into decision-ready insight in minutes. In this walkthrough, we'll show how it works end-to-end inside your investment workflow. Step 1. Connect to AlternativeSoft Cloud. Start by logging into AlternativeSoft Cloud from the desktop application. Access is available via Account Panel on the main screen or Top Page panel in the Data Universe, or any cloud-enabled action. When selecting the Account Panel, you'll enter the Connect form showing available cloud capabilities, then proceed to the Login screen. Use the same credentials as your AlternativeSoft license. Once connected, cloud capabilities become available across your desktop. The Account Panel updates to your cloud profile and shows you hot links to key cloud possibilities: AI questionnaire, my funds, my portfolios, funds raising capital, ODD. These are just some of the core cloud features. There's much more to explore once you're inside the AlternativeSoft Cloud ecosystem. Step 2. Start with your funds. For this demo, let's focus on the funds workflow. Click My Funds from the Account Panel. This takes you to your company environment inside AlternativeSoft Cloud. Asset Search module, My Funds. Option A, Process New Funds, Cloud First Workflow. Click Add Asset and choose Add Asset from File. The workflow is simple. 1. Drag and drop documents or click Upload. 2. Upload your fund document and click Continue. 3. AlternativeSoft AI processes the file, creates the asset, extracts available fund data, and generates a fund summary automatically. Processing runs in the background. Once processing starts, you'll see a live progress bar showing exactly what the AI is analyzing. No more black box spinners while waiting for results. This applies across all AI workflows demonstrated in the platform. Key benefit: you do not need to stay on the screen while processing runs. You can continue working across the platform, upload additional documents, or perform other tasks while AI processing completes automatically in the background. Once processing is complete, you receive a notification and can immediately review the extracted results. Option B, enhance existing desktop assets. Want to analyze, extract data, and enhance your existing desktop assets? You can synchronize existing desktop assets to the cloud in 2 ways. 1. Bulk export. Select multiple assets and synchronize them together. You can also schedule exports, allowing selected assets to synchronize automatically to the cloud on a recurring basis. 2. Single asset sync. For quick processing of a single asset, use the Sync to Cloud button available on each asset page. Once synchronized, asset status changes to synced. Your desktop asset becomes available inside the cloud workspace. All AlternativeSoft AI capabilities become available for that fund. Step 3. Extract structured investment data with AI. To start extracting fund data with AlternativeSoft AI, click Update with AI on the Time Series and Information widget. You can also use Exposures or Holdings widgets. The workflow is identical across all of them. Once you click Update with AI, the Select Documents for AI Processing form appears. Upload documents for AI processing. From this form, you can upload documents of any type. AlternativeSoft AI is not limited to specific file formats or single-page inputs. You can upload full document sets across reporting periods and sources, including fact sheets, investor letters, monthly reports, presentations, DDQs, private market documents, and supporting operational documentation. Key advantage: with our new RAG architecture, there are no file count or size restrictions. You can upload 10, 15, 20 plus documents, whatever you need. Choose how to select documents for AI processing. Auto-select, this is our recommended option. AlternativeSoft AI automatically identifies the most relevant documents for this AI process. Use this when you are unsure which documents matter most. Manual selection. You can manually select exactly which documents to process. Use this when you want full control over your inputs. Start AI processing. Once documents are selected, click Start Analyzing. You will immediately see live processing progress directly on screen, just like during fund creation. AI processing runs in the background while you continue working across the platform. Once processing is complete, you will receive a notification and can review the extracted results. If the fund already contains existing data, AlternativeSoft AI does not overwrite it automatically. Instead, an Updates Pending Review banner appears, allowing users to review and approve suggested changes before synchronization. Once the updates are confirmed, the platform automatically populates the associated widgets and data sections across the fund record. Users can immediately see refreshed performance data, updated exposures, holdings information, and related fund insights reflected throughout the interface. In our example, you can now see the 2026 returns have now been populated in our time series table. Step 4. Import structured data back to desktop. Once fund information, time series, exposures, or holdings are reviewed, go back to the desktop application. Navigate to Data Universe, then import and click AlternativeSoft Cloud. Select the assets you want to import and click Import. Once completed, desktop assets are updated with cloud-generated data. Time series, fund information, and exposures become available directly in desktop. Structured data is immediately ready for analytics workflows. Imports can also be scheduled, ensuring cloud updates are automatically synchronized back into the desktop environment without manual execution. Step 5. Analyze with AI. Structured data extraction is only one part of the cloud workflow. AlternativeSoft AI also generates structured fund analysis using both uploaded documents and AlternativeSoft Analytics. Open the same fund and go to the Update with AI button. Click Start Analyzing and follow the same document selection process. Once completed, you receive structured insights including strategy overview, what the fund does and how the portfolio is positioned. Investment terms, fund structure, ESG integration and available liquidity details. Key strengths, notable advantages and positive attributes of the strategy. Key considerations, risks and potential areas of concern. Actionable insights, practical observations for investment review and allocation discussions. Document insights, benchmark-aware performance metrics and key takeaways extracted from source materials. This gives investment teams a fast, structured understanding of a fund without manually reviewing large document sets. Step 6. Automate due diligence questionnaires, DDQs. Within AlternativeSoft, you can now automatically complete a questionnaire in a matter of minutes. Simply upload a file containing your questions to the system and click the Start Analyzing button. The system then extracts the questions from your uploaded file and searches for answers within the documents attached to the fund. For example, this fund has a fact sheet, a DDQ, and a private placement memorandum attached. The system scans all of these documents to locate the answers, eliminating the need for you to read through them manually. Everything is done automatically, within minutes. When the process is complete, you'll see each question paired with its answer, along with a reference to the exact document from which the answer was taken. The system also identifies potential risks and flags them with red markers. By filtering for red flags, you can quickly focus on the most critical issues to consider before investing in a fund. For instance, here we see a red flag indicating a past regulatory investigation. Another flag highlights high turnover within the investment team. All risks are identified instantly, enabling you to decide within minutes whether a fund is worth considering for further investment. Step 7. AI compliance and rule monitoring. AlternativeSoft AI also supports compliance-oriented workflows by analyzing fund documentation and automatically flagging important issues across key compliance areas. This includes performance compliance checks, reputational compliance checks, operational compliance checks. Examples include performance discrepancies, benchmark inconsistencies, liquidity restrictions, operational conditions, fund-specific investment constraints. Users can define their own compliance rules or use AI-generated rule sets to support internal review workflows. AlternativeSoft Cloud allows you to extract, automate, analyze into a single connected workflow. From document upload to structured investment data, from AI-powered due diligence to desktop synchronization, everything works together inside a unified ecosystem designed for allocator and fund workflows. Your investment team can now focus on investment decisions instead of manual data processing. For more information, visit www.alternativesoft.com and request your demo today.